Hey guys, welcome to a series Learn SQL in 3 minutes. Today we are going to learn two important functions that we use during analysis in our SQL database is order by and limit function. Today in this video we will know how and when we can use order by and limit in our analysis. So without wasting any time, let's open the computer screen and let me tell you how can you write queries using order by and limit in your PostgreSQL. So let's start that. Hey guys, so I have started my PG admin here. As you can see, I have created this table. The name is employees. I have given some data which is employee data here. As you can see in this table, we have employee ID, name, department and salary. So today we are going to see how we can use order by and limit function. Before that, let me tell you why we use this. So when the cases are like this, like we want to sort the data according to the salary or something else, in these cases we use order by function to sort the data in descending or ascending order. When we want the data like top 10 data, top 15, top 3 according to the salary or marks, then in those cases we use limit function. So let's start the coding now. Select, we will take a name and the salary of the employee from employee table, and then we will use order by function, order by salary. So here we are sorting the data according to the salary, and then we will do how we can want to sort it in descending order or in ascending order. So we are going to give the descending order. The default in the default case, when we don't want to use here anything, then the data will be sorted in ascending order. Okay, so I am giving here the descending order. It will sort the data in descending order using order by function. So let me run this code. So as you can see, we have sorted this data in descending order. The highest salary of the Suresh is 82,000 rupees. Now I am going to use the limit function, so we can get only top 5 employees with the highest salary. So now use limit and then we lose 5. That's it. Let me run this code and we will get only those 5 employees with the highest salary. And if I use here the ascending order, ASC, then let me run this code and we will get the lowest 5 employee with the lowest salary, which is 59,000, 60,000, 60,500, and the last is 62,000. So this is all about order by and limit function, guys. So I hope guys this video put some value in your SQL learning journey. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend and save for the future reference. I will meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, bye bye.